In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix GTA 5 script hook v critical error. So if you're getting this error, then this has to do with script hook v. I'm gonna explain this error and show you exactly how to fix it. So when you try to launch GTA 5, I'm just gonna show an example here. You try to launch it like this and the error shows after the game loads for a few seconds. So this issue usually happens because the game has been updated to a newer version that the current script hook v version isn't supporting. So what you can do is you can basically go to your GTA 5 folder and simply remove the script hook v completely. So if you go to these three dots and go to manage and then go to installations, go down here, and what you're gonna do here is simply remove everything that has to do with script hook v. So I have this original script hook v that I have installed on my game, so I know exactly what are the folders that I have pasted here. So I would basically just search for them. So I pasted these three folders here, so I would basically put their name and just search for them and delete them. Then I would delete this folder. Let me just delete this one. Now I will search for script hook v. I will delete this one and script hook v.dll. Now I will delete xinput, and this is the last one. So after you do this, you're basically good, and now you should be able to launch the game perfectly fine. So if you don't have this folder, like you just downloaded the script hook v and installed it into your GTA 5 folder, and you don't know how to find these three folders, then you could either just go to Google here. So if you go to Google and type in script hook v, let's just type in script hook v. If you go to script hook v and go to this website, you can either download the folder from here, and this folder is basically exactly the one that you should have used to download your script hook v on your GTA 5 folder. And these are the folders, the three folders, these that end with .dll. And you also have another option, which is basically to reinstall your entire GTA 5, although this might take few hours. So what you can do is simply uninstall the whole GTA 5 folder and reinstall it completely, and this will basically fix your issue as well. So now I want to explain why exactly this is happening. So you usually used to run the GTA 5 with the script hook v and it would run perfectly fine, but this time it's causing this issue. So this is happening because just recently GTA 5 got updated. So if you go to Google here and you just type in when did GTA 5 update, it will tell you GTA 5 was updated just recently, quite literally just today. So the version of script hook v does not support this new version of GTA 5. And if you go here to the GTA and go to version, you will see this newer version. It's 1.0.3788. and if you go to Google here, let's go to Google and let's go to the most recent version of script hook v. You're gonna find that the most recent version supported patches is 1.0.3751. So you have the newer version, which is let me just go back here. So you have the newer version, which is 1.0.3788, just like you see here, and this is a newer version. And you have an older version of the script hook v which will not work on your newer version. So this version, you can clearly see that it was released on January 28, so it's much older So what you can do, because you might have like some mods on your game and you won't be able to play with these mods anymore, what you can do is simply wait for a newer version of Scripthook V to come out, and once it comes out that is compatible with the newer GTA 5 folder, and I mean GTA 5 game, so just wait for it and reinstall it and reinstall it into the game, and you should be good. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.